Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Lingo and Life. Today we are going to discuss 10 commonly mistaken English sentences along with corrections. Incorrect. She is married with a doctor. Correct. She is married to a doctor. Incorrect. I need some informations. Correct. I need some information. Incorrect. I have a good news for you. Correct. I have good news for you. Incorrect. Open the light, please. Correct. Turn on the light, please. Incorrect. He is very interesting in sports. Correct. He is very interested in sports. Incorrect. He didn't wrote the essay. Correct. He didn't write the essay. Incorrect. I live in a village near to the city. Correct. I live in a village near the city. Incorrect. I didn't knew about it. Correct. I didn't know about it. Incorrect. Everyone are invited to the party. Correct. Everyone is invited to the party. Incorrect. Let's discuss about the project. Correct. Let's discuss the project. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe.